The export object command will let you grab things from the screen and save them to your hard drive so that you could use them again. Now if you go here to File and you click on Export Object, you'll see that it's grayed out. The reason is there's nothing grabbed as an object to be exported. So let's do that. Let's grab this vent here on the front of this garage and we'll save it. So we go here to our Define Area tools. I'm going to grab a circle. I'm going to grab that. To convert it to an object, I just move it. Say yes. So now I have that as an object. It is selected. So now I could go to File, Export Object, and I'm just going to save that in my temp file as an LOB because we want it to be on a transparent background, so you have to save it as an LOB, and I'm going to call it Vent. So now that file has been saved. If I close it, I go here to Import Objects and I scroll down. First, I saved it as an LOB, so I'll change my files of type. And there it is, Vent. You usually don't see a thumbnail. Well, you never really see a thumbnail of an LOB until you've put them into a library yourself. So I'll click Open, and there's the Vent that I just saved a second ago. Now I want to show you another little trick. Let's say, for example, you want to grab something that you found on the internet because you want to use it in your image. So I'm going to bring up a lighting website here because I know they're usually on a white background, and I want to put this light in my image. So what I'll do is I'll right click over the light fixture and go down here to Save as Image. And then I'm going to save it into my temp folder. Now I want to import that, so I go to File, Import Object, and let's find it. It's not at LOB. I saved it as a JPEG file. And there it is. Now you notice it has a white background on it, so I want to edit that out. I'll just go up here to Objects, Magic Wand, click in the white area, then click OK, and it dropped out the white. Now I will save it as an LOB. So I go to File, Export Object, make sure that it's set to LOB, and I'll call it Wall Light. And now that file is saved. I can bring it into any other image and use it again.